In front of me is INFINIX Note 40, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. Begin by launching Play Store and installing Magic Fluid Lite from Mad Scientist Developer. When your app is ready, open it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then select those three lines after tapping on Consent. Hit Set as Live Wallpaper and tap on Yes. Finally, click this gear at the top right corner and adjust all of those options however you want to. Then go back, tap on Set Wallpaper and decide where you wish to apply it. In my case, home screen only. So when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!